36.
This ducks in onto leg stump. Perfect ball in any class of cricket. Test matches.
Already got the wicket of Simmons into Marshall.
Yet again, carbon copy. And
Wasim Akram becomes the fourth man in history of one-day internationals to have taken a hat-trick, who got it against Australia at Hyderabad, Sindh, to Bruce Reid, who have taken a hat-trick in one-day internationals.
Trying to hike the ball away.
He's cleaned out,
And Akram on a hat-trick.
he's got
The hat-trick. And he's out. Caught behind.
New ball, a semi-old ball. Look at that. Little bit of movement. He edged it straight
Number
to
9.
Moin.
He knocked his leg stump off. And he's got it! Hat-trick! Wasim Akram's got a few hat-tricks in one-day cricket. But this is the first time he's got a hat-trick in Test cricket. And he's the first Pakistani bowler to get a hat-trick in Test cricket. Well done, Wasim.
And he's the man who really deserves that. And
oh, there's another one in the air, and that's it, got him. Beautifully bowled, short delivery. First.
Well, that was a superb catch and a great ball. Superb catch by Shahid Afridi.
Ball ball in, it's beautifully bowled, clean bowl, stumps all over the place. Wasim Akram's on fire. These Pakistanis, when they have one.
As expected from Wasim Akram, firework. We only have about one more over, and he has no idea at all.
Akram's on his way to him now. Can he do it again? Oh, he's had a go at that one, and he's got it. Yes, he's done it. Wasim Akram's got another hat-trick. This is unbelievable. What a day for Pakistan. An unbelievable day for the record books. 2 double centuries in the day, and Wasim Akram has got a hat-trick. Well, it's absolutely unbelievable. Well, he's got hat-tricks in consecutive matches. I would venture to say that he's the only man ever to have done that. And I can tell you now that